Namaskar. Today we will going to learn a Kavitt. What is Kavitt? If you want to know that, you can check our video regarding the descriptions of all these things. You can find the link up here. This Kavitt is written by Shraddha Chakrabarty. This Kavitt is on Natavas Sri Krishna and his Makhan Chori. So let's start. In Kavitt, along with pure dance section, the Avinaya is the important part, as Kavitt is a part of Avinaya. In this first line, Krishna Sakha Sangha Gaye Gwalana Ghar, which means Krishna along with friend goes to the milkman house or dairyman's house, and after that the next line is Hirat Firat Sab Dekh Liyo. He stare here and there if anyone is there. When he finds that nobody is there, after that, what he will do? He do of Krishna's popular naughtiness. Tab ग्वाल के कांधे चर माखन उतार लियो और खाए लियो. Krishna got up on his friend's shoulders and put the handi of butter down. Butter or dahi, and after that what will he do? Dadhiki, matki, jhatki, patki और दूध को पी बिखेर दियो. They ate the whole butter or the whole dahi, and after due to commotion the pot was shattered. And then comes Radha. पकड़ लियो राधा ने जब तब ग्वाल बाल सब भाग गयो. Then Radha comes and Krishna was caught red-handed by Radha, and then all of Krishna's friend ran away. So the section was like दधकी मटकी झटकी पटकी और दूध को पी बिखेर दियो पकड़ लियो राधा ने जब तब ग्वाल बाल सब भाग गयो दधी खाए लियो. After that comes Dekh Narayan Tal Bajave. Here, this was actually the tradition that after the ending or in the middle section, generally in the ending section, the name of the writer was there. So here, this line is with dual meaning. Here, Narayan means Sri Krishna and also Narayan or Vishnu, and also Narayan means Sri Narayan Prasad Ji. So, Dekh Narayan Tal Bajave Nachan Lage. Seeing this, Narayan start to clap, start to keep beat and start to dance. And there is a bowl. Kittathe tathe tathe. Kittathe tathe tathe. Tathe tatadha. So in this section, we will use the Mukta Fairy, which is commonly used in Jaipur Gharana Kathak. So the whole Kavitt is like that. कृष्ण सखा मिल गए ग्वालन घर हिरत फिरत सब देख लियो तब ग्वाल के कांधे चर माखन उतार लियो और खाए लियो. दधकी मटकी झटकी पटकी और दूध को पी बिखेर दियो पकड़ लियो राधा ने जब तब ग्वाल बाल सब भाग गयो दधी खाए लियो. देख नारायण ताल बजावे नाचन लागे किट थे तथे तथे तकिट थे तथे 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 तधा then dha then. Okay, so this was the whole Kavitt. In next class we will learn how to perform that. We upload a new tutorial on every Sunday. So if you are new in my channel and if you like that, please hit the like button. If you have any question or doubt regarding this video, you can comment us in the comment section below. Share it among your friends. Hit the subscribe button and select the all option to never miss an update. If you want to join my interactive session, you can mail me. You can find my mail address in the description box below. See you on next Sunday. Thank you. Namaskar.